In this video, I will be disassembling this 2020 Jeep Cherokee LED headlight. Here is the part number on the light. I will begin by removing the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Here we can see that the black bezel is connected to the lens using a series of T20 torque screws. I will begin by removing the T20 screws holding on this upper LED light bar. In order to remove this white plastic cover, we need to first remove this small clear plastic lens. In order to do that, we need to pull this a little bit forward, and inside on the top and bottom are a couple of clips. So we need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry the clip apart and then pop out this clear lens. With the clear lens disconnected, we can now pull the whole white plastic cover off. Next, I will remove the wire harness connector for this inside corner LED unit. The LED light bar is now free from the light. There are two T20 torque screws holding the LED light bar to the LED drive unit. Next, I'm going to remove the inside corner LED drive unit. Next, I'm going to remove the two T20 torque screws holding on the upper LED projector mount. Next, I will use a flathead screwdriver to pop off this upper outside corner projector mount. In order to release this third projector mount, I'm going to start with a small flathead screwdriver and release this clip. I will then slide a second flathead screwdriver behind the black portion and push it forward. With that third projector mount released, we can pull the projector forward. We need to disconnect this circuit board from the wire harness. Next, I'm going to remove the final T20 screws holding in the wire harness and the last couple circuit boards. Next, I'm going to remove the wire harness connector by turning it to the right and pushing it into the headlight. Next, I'm going to pull out the wire harness and all of the remaining circuit boards. The wire harness is now free. The housing is now empty. The upper and lower LED boards are connected to this bracket using two T10 torque screws on each board. main drive unit on the LED projector is held on the rear by 4 T20 Torx screws. There's one wire harness connector. The clear lens on the LED unit is held on with T10 Torx screws. This last LED unit is held on by a single T20 Torx screw. Here are the components from the light. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.